This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure Xbox Live is active and the System Plus Rainbow Six Siege are updated. Then check your headset hardware, cable, battery, or wireless dongle, and test the mic quickly in an Xbox party so you isolate hardware from software. Once done, reboot the console and headset to clear transient audio glitches. This simple restart often restores chat because it resets audio drivers and network handshakes. Now you move into settings. In Rainbow Six Siege, set voice chat to on, pick the correct input device, and adjust voice volume so teammates are audible. Next, head to Xbox Privacy and Online Safety and confirm voice and party chat permissions are allowed. Otherwise, the game can't route mic audio. Also, open the Xbox audio mixer while in a party to confirm the headset isn't muted or overly low. Once configured, test with one friend to verify the voice channel is established. Finish with network and recovery steps. Power cycle your router and modem to clear NAT issues, then test Xbox network to confirm an open or moderate NAT rather than strict. Voice needs proper port mapping. Enable UPnP or add the recommended Rainbow 6 ports on your router because voice can fail with blocked UDP. If problems persist, reinstall the game or test with a fresh Xbox profile to rule out corrupted settings, and if all else fails, contact Ubisoft support for server-side diagnostics. One key tip: try a wired connection first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.